everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have some super duper exciting news for the Cardano community and any retail investors in the United States. There's more options now for people in the US. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Bitstamp by Robinhood tweeted, ADA equals live in the USA. Cardano is now available for US traders on Bitstamp by Robinhood. It's a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that focuses on sustainability, efficiency, and scalability. Start trading at blog.bitstamp.net/post. This is exciting news for retail investors in the United States, and hopefully it leads to wider adoption of the Cardano blockchain. More and more people will be exposed to Cardano, so hopefully that'll lead to more liquidity and more people seeing the benefits of it. I really like how they highlight sustainability. That's one of my favorite things about the Cardano blockchain. It uses a lot less energy than something like Bitcoin. So hopefully they'll see all the other projects too on Cardano and see that they actually can invest in that with Bitstamp. Right now, it's a really exciting time for more and more people to get into crypto. I know recently a lot of friends have been asking, how do you even invest? How do you get started? And technically, I'm not giving any financial advice here, but I'd love to offer some education. So today, I'm excited to announce the launch of a new program. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. It includes 2 modules and 3 videos and some guided education. I'll link all the information down below if you or any women in your life want to get into crypto. Statistically, it tends to be more men who are interested in crypto and feel confident to get into this space, whether it's to get into this career or invest more into it. But I want to create a community for more women to feel confident in this space, so that's why I'm gearing towards women first. So please share this if you have any women in your life who want to get involved. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think that Cardano getting on Bitstamp is a bullish move? And where else would you like to see ADA? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!